This vegan dude is on a mission to find plant-based gems at this Korean market, and H Mart is delivering hard. First up, the produce section. Super fresh, incredible variety, and prices that put Whole Foods to absolute shame. And keep an eye on sale items, that's where the real value hides. I usually spend a lot of time in the mushroom section. They're not playing around here. There's so many unique and compelling varieties. King oyster, enoki, and beyond. This is mushroom heaven, and some of their prepared foods are also completely plant-based, like this japchae. But you gotta read the labels. And I usually grab a bag of roasted sweet potatoes, and H Mart is also the place to get tofu. So many varieties, and pretty reasonable prices. I usually buy it in this bulk package that I never find anywhere else but here. Sweet Korean rice cakes called duck, and most of them are totally plant-based. My personal favorite was sold out today, and this one actually contains milk, so that's a pass. But there's plenty of great options. Now the freezer section is where it gets exciting. Hidden gems everywhere. We got vegan bulgogi fried rice, and these are 100% vegan frozen Korean corn dogs. A rare find. I also got the tornado potato here, which is also 100% plant-based. Most of the kimchi here is not vegan. They use fish sauce and shrimp paste. But if you look closer, you'll find clearly marked vegan kimchi. They exist and they're good. You just have to hunt a little. Gochujang, the mother sauce of Korean cooking, entirely plant-based. The miso paste selection here is incredible. So many varieties for soups, marinades, and adding that deep umami punch to your recipes. I always grab a big bag of veggie dumplings, way more affordable than a single serving like at Trader Joe's. And Trader Joe's white labels many of the items here at the store. Speaking of Trader Joe's, they carry microwaveable vegan kimbap here. Tons of varieties. But again, read the label. A couple of these packages have fish in them. Last thing, natto. Technically vegan, most packages sneak a little fish sauce packet inside. This one doesn't. Clean, plant-based, and an incredible source of protein. Alright, that's my H Mart haul. The next video is a full Koreatown adventure, and you don't want to miss that. Stay tuned.